Energy efficiency is more than a buzzword in Sugarland, it's a necessity. With long, hot summers and fluctuating temperatures throughout the year, keeping indoor spaces comfortable without driving up energy bills is a top priority for homeowners and property managers alike. One often overlooked upgrade that can make a significant difference is installing replacement doors. Modern replacement doors are designed not only to enhance curb appeal but also to dramatically improve energy efficiency across residential and commercial properties. The hidden energy loss from older doors, especially those installed decades ago, are common sources of energy loss. Gaps around frames, warped materials, worn weather stripping, and outdated construction methods allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor heat or humidity to creep inside. In Sugarland's climate, this means air conditioning systems have to work overtime, leading to higher utility bills and unnecessary wear on HVAC equipment. Replacement doors are engineered to eliminate these weak points. With tighter seals, advanced insulation, and precision installation, they create a strong barrier between indoor comfort and outdoor conditions. Improved insulation for consistent indoor comfort. One of the biggest advantages of replacement doors is their superior insulation. Many modern doors feature insulated cores made from materials that resist heat transfer. This helps keep cool air inside during scorching Sugarland summers and prevents heat loss during cooler months. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, are known for their excellent insulating properties. Unlike older wooden doors that may expand, contract, or crack due to humidity, these materials remain stable year-round, maintaining their energy-efficient performance over time. Advanced sealing technology reduces air leaks. Air leaks are a major contributor to energy waste. Today's replacement doors come equipped with high-quality weather stripping, tight-fitting frames, and threshold seals designed to block drafts and moisture. When professionally installed, these doors significantly reduce the amount of air entering or escaping your property. For Sugarland homeowners, this means fewer hot spots near entryways, better temperature consistency throughout the house, and a noticeable reduction in energy consumption. Lower energy bills and long-term savings by reducing air leakage and improving insulation. Replacement doors help your HVAC system operate more efficiently. When your system doesn't have to constantly compensate for temperature loss, it uses less energy, resulting in lower monthly utility bills. Over time, these savings can add up substantially. Many property owners find that energy-efficient door replacements pay for themselves through reduced energy costs, all while increasing the overall value of the property. Enhanced protection against humidity. Humidity is a constant challenge in Sugarland. Excess moisture entering through poorly sealed doors can affect indoor comfort and even contribute to mold or mildew issues. Replacement doors are designed to resist moisture intrusion, helping maintain a healthier indoor environment. Proper sealing also protects door frames and surrounding structures from water damage, extending the lifespan of both the door and the entryway. Added comfort and peace of mind. Beyond energy efficiency, replacement doors contribute to a quieter, more comfortable living space. Insulated doors reduce outside noise, improve indoor air quality, and provide a more secure barrier against the elements. Many energy-efficient doors also come with enhanced security features, offering peace of mind along with performance. A smart upgrade for Sugarland properties. Whether you're upgrading a single-family home or improving a rental or commercial property, replacement doors are a smart investment in Sugarland. They combine improved energy efficiency, increased comfort, and long-term cost savings, all while enhancing the appearance of your property. If you're looking for a practical way to boost efficiency and comfort without a full renovation, replacing your doors may be the perfect solution.